If you're new to WordPress and want to learn how to use it effectively, here are some steps and resources to help you get started. Understand the basics. 1. Familiarize yourself with the fundamental concepts of WordPress, such as themes, plugins, posts, pages, and widgets. 2. Learn about the difference between WordPress.com, hosted, and WordPress.org, self-hosted, versions. 3. Get acquainted with the WordPress dashboard and its various sections. Set up a WordPress website. 1. Purchase a domain name and web hosting plan. 2. Install WordPress on your hosting server. 2. Most hosting providers offer one-click installations. 3. Access your WordPress dashboard and explore its features. Learn the WordPress interface. 1. Understand the structure of the WordPress dashboard, including the menu items and submenus. 2. Explore the different sections, such as posts, pages, media, appearance, plugins, and settings. 3. Familiarize yourself with the editor and various content management options. Customize your website. 1. Choose and install a theme that suits your website's purpose. 2. Customize the theme's appearance by modifying colors, fonts, layouts, and other settings. 3. Install and configure essential plugins to extend the functionality of your website. Create and manage content. 1. Learn how to create and publish blog posts and static pages. 2. Format and style your content using the WordPress editor's formatting options. 3. Add media, such as images and videos, to your posts and pages. 4. Organize your content using categories and tags. Master WordPress plugins. 1. Explore the vast plugin directory and learn how to install and activate plugins. 2. Discover essential plugins for various purposes, such as SEO optimization, security, caching, contact forms, and more. 3. Understand how to configure and manage plugins effectively. Optimize your website. 1. Learn about search engine optimization, SEO, best practices to improve your website's visibility in search engines. 2. Optimize your website's speed and performance by implementing caching, image optimization, and other techniques. 3. Understand basic security measures to protect your website from potential threats. Get support and learn from the WordPress community. 1. Join WordPress forums, communities, and online groups to connect with other WordPress users and seek help when needed. 2. Utilize WordPress official documentation, tutorials, and online resources. 3. Explore WordPress-related blogs, YouTube channels, and online courses for more in-depth learning. Recommended resources. 1. WordPress.org, the official WordPress website, offers extensive documentation, forums, and resources for beginners. 2. WP Beginner, a popular website dedicated to WordPress tutorials, tips, and guides for beginners. 3. YouTube Tutorials, search for WordPress tutorials on YouTube to find video guides on various topics. 4. Online courses, platforms like Udemy Learning offer WordPress courses for beginners. Remember, WordPress is a powerful and versatile platform, and continuous learning and practice will help you become more proficient. Don't hesitate to experiment and explore different features to enhance your WordPress skills.